Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this gorgeous jewelry box that I have here. This is actually made of Lego. So this is pretty cool. I like the fact that Lego is something that's always fun to do and fun to build, but I love that they have different things that you can actually have that function. So this is an actual functioning jewelry box, which is pretty cool. It is from Frozen 2, so it's gonna have incorporated all the different things from that movie. It's going to make it look like a lot of ice. You do have the horse from the movie as well. You have Elsa. You have so many things that you're able to take off and play with, which is fun. But I love the fact that you can actually use this as a jewelry box. You have two little locks here so that you're able to close your drawer and have it shut. And you can actually put things inside. The drawer actually works. This is something that's really pretty. It was fun to build. I like having Legos because it's something you can do with your kids. Makes you feel like a big kid as well. And you get something out of the end result. So this is really cool. That's just my point of view.